Hi!
Today we're going to show you how to turn cool ice dance tricks into hot moves that you can use on the ballroom dance floor.
Yes!
Let's get started. Let's get into 3 dance tricks from the Ice Dance Gold Medalists.
Wow! The down and dirty. Let's begin with baby steps.
We'll start with a baby version of this trick, so leaders can get used to supporting the follower's weight.
Leaders, you are going to have the follower do a half a turn to face you, and we have our right hand around her back, left hand around her leg there. Now, we're gonna bend those knees, and we're gonna brace our body real tight, real strong, so she can go back, and then bring her right back up again.
Now for the followers, as he turns you, the minute you face him, you're gonna pick your right knee up. From here, you're coming up onto the ball of your left foot. You're gonna keep your body very strong and thrust your hips forward as you go back. Maybe you don't have that much flexibility in your back, in which case you just do a little one here. But the more you can bend into your standing leg here, well it's supported, the more you can go back. See? So now, if you got that baby version down and you feel really confident, then you can progress into the actual lift part of this trick.
We'll start the same, but leaders, you're gonna get a little bit lower by bending those knees, keep your legs very tight, and then we're gonna lift her around the waist there, and then as she's going back, we're going forward, and then we gotta throw those hips up to bring her back.
A lot of hip thrusting for both of us.
Very helpful when you're doing tricks.
Now for the follow, when you're turning around, you gotta make sure that your arms are up so that you do not elbow the partner that you love. And the minute you turn, you're gonna lift your knee up as he lifts you up, point through your back foot, and as he takes you down, slide your foot between his legs, and then back up again. Beautiful.
Pro tip.
Keep your body really tight like a rocket.
Your body's very, very rock solid. I'm talking harder than Chinese algebra.
You wanna know how to get in and out of this trick? We're gonna show you that at the end of this video.
Up next, we have the Romeo and Juliet. Leaders, you have your right leg forward, and what you're gonna actually do is you're gonna turn about a quarter to your left. As that happens, she's going to drape right over your right leg as you bend it this way. Now, all you gotta do is straighten those legs and turn back. You probably noticed I kept this hand the whole time. What you can actually do, if you want to be a little bit fancier, is as you turn her, wrap her arm around your waist, then you can actually let go. She's holding on here, this hand's free, and then I can go into the full-on forward, straighten those legs to bring her up, turn my right side back to bring her to the beginning position.
Now followers, as he turns you, you will turn on your right foot, here, and then as he leans you back, you can slide your right leg out and pick your left leg up and rotate your body more towards the floor. Good, and then put your left foot down, use your core to come on up.
When we say use your core, that basically means get those ab muscles tight.
Like sit up.
Are you enjoying learning with us?
Of course you are.
In which case, you should check out our Latin dance courses.
Our courses are so structured so you know exactly what to practice. If you would like to learn from us in a more intimate setting, then just check out our website.
We're leaving the link right here and also in the description below. We'll see you there. And now, on to the next trick.
Leaders, your right arm is going to be the main support structure, but your left arm is going to take her thigh on the inside, but you don't want to pull that too hard. You're just giving a little extra there. So we're going to get real low. That's it. We're going to shoot up. We got her in that starfish pose. Now we just got to turn. So we just go left, right, left, and we're going to bend that left knee and bring our shoulders forward. Straighten that left knee as you thrust those hips forward, and then we're bending our right knee to give her a little landing. And the exit we have is just a little spiral for the followers. It's the finished side here.
Now followers, you do a little compression down and then you explode into this starfish move. Your hand goes behind his head, and from here, when you're ready to dip, hook your left leg around his booty, and he will slide you between his legs. You can reach your arm out, and as he brings you up, step your foot in front of you first, then you can spiral out. finish.
Pro tip.
As you start forwards, bend into your knees, and then as you explode up, point your toes and your fingers. So don't be flat-footed, be pointy with those toes, and stretch, stretch, stretch. I can go back, and then again, point your toes, reach your fingers, keep your core really strong as it brings you up. Step, again, strong core, okay, to finish so you don't lose your balance. Now we're going to show you how to get in and out of every single trick.
So we are doing a cha-cha, a samba, a rumba, a bolero, whatever it happens to be. And we're either in shadow or we're facing as we're doing our movement. That can happen any time. I'm noticing, okay, I got her centered right there. I'm gonna center my legs around it, wrap that hand around. She's like, what? Oh, he's taking the leg out. It's happening. What happened? Boom, down she goes. Bring her back up. And then we just shift. Notice where her weight is. Ready to go to any basic we want. And all of our Latin stuff. For the Romeo and Juliet, it's gonna be best if the follower has weight on the right foot and the leader's gonna step outside partner. So whatever step you're doing, let's say you're doing some rumba, bam, bam, bam. She's got her weight on the right foot. I step outside over there, boom. Now I just gotta do that turn we talked about. And down she goes. Bring her on back. I'm gonna make a guess, I think her weight's on the right foot. So that means I wanna get my weight onto the left. So I gotta be able to go as 2, 3, 4. By sensing where her weight is, I can then dance with her. What? For the starfish, the follower can just spin on in, and we go down together, bring her up, spinning around, we got our position, she comes up, and from here, she'll turn.
Yeah, he can actually give me a little turn because his hand's on my waist. Yeah. He can give me a little turn, out.
We're back to side by side.
And dance together.
And now we're gonna dance all 3 tricks for you back to back. If you want to learn more lifts, then check out this video right here.
If you want to do more tricks, then right here.
Look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Bye-bye!